Yo, what's up guys? Hope I caught you at a great time. In this video, it's going to be very action-packed. We want to discuss with you how we make brands go viral on TikTok, how we actually produce viral videos in this exact same basement for our e-commerce brands, how you can do the same, and kind of the results to expect from it all. Stay tuned.
No, I'm not okay now, and I can't wait for you to go away now. Did anybody ask if you could stay now? I wouldn't have it any other way now.
Yo guys, what's going on? It's your boy Corey here. Welcome back to the channel. If you're brand new here, make sure you're subscribed to this channel. We post a lot of e-commerce content, not only dropshipping related, but also just like straight e-commerce, all kinds of social media growth tips, etc., etc. Here we go. Recently, we have been posting TikToks for one of our brands all over TikTok, obviously. And all we would do is order their product to our house and shoot all kinds of videos and then use a trending song that popular TikTokers have recently used in that video. So for example, we saw this one video that like Kylie Jenner, she used a certain song or something like that. So we took that exact same song and made a TikTok with it of our product and uploaded it, and it went super viral. That's all I can really say about that. And when I mean viral, I mean anything over, I'd say maybe like 200, 300K views is considered viral. Like it got to the point, maybe I'll throw a screen recording up, where like we were getting like 10 followers like every second for so long, so many likes, and our website traffic was ridiculous. So many live visitors. Again, it's TikTok, so one thing to expect is that it's kind of low converting. People are gonna come, and some people are just super young on TikTok and don't even have a credit card, so like how are they gonna buy something? But some people are actually obviously like old enough to buy stuff online, and so they came and bought, and we must have made at least an easy like $1,500 in profit just from a few viral TikTok videos. And again, Anthony's kind of gonna discuss more in depth how we made these videos and how they went viral and like kind of just like what we experienced. But the bottom line from my point of view is that you have to be using TikTok and other platforms as well to boost your organic reach as much as possible. TikTok is probably by far the easiest platform to get a surplus of organic reach from right now. Instagram, it's really hard to post a video because one thing I forgot to mention, sorry, was that we only had like 60 followers when we first started posting these TikToks and went viral. So for like 3 weeks we were posting videos, no traction, 100 views, 100 views, 100 views, nothing. And then out of nowhere it just went from 30K on the video to 60K to 600K to 1 million. It really just kept going. And then after a couple days it stops, obviously. Like on YouTube, if a video is hot and viral, it kind of keeps going. But for TikTok, it's kind of a couple days and it stops. That's pretty much my part. So always use all platforms as much as you can, especially TikTok. If you are a dropshipper and you sell women's clothing or like some kind of home thing or whatever, or even a cool phone case, ship it to your house and make 50 TikToks and post them all using trending songs. I promise it will help so much. And eventually TikTok will let you post your website link in your profile, which is crazy good.
A few moments later.
What's going on, guys? I'm here. Who likes my Sherpa? Hey? Let me know in the comments. I just got it. Not bad. Anyways, TikTok. Man, have we been discovering some cool shit on here. It's been an absolute joyride in the last like couple weeks. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. If you're not using TikTok, I don't know what the fuck you guys are doing, because it's been helping us generate a lot of money, and like I'm very, very mind blown about the potential and like actual like damage it's done for our brand. So I'm really excited to keep posting. But essentially what we have done is just take our UGC from our customers that we've actually sent products to, so gifted promotions, or obviously some paid promotions as well. We take those videos and we mash them up. We make reels on Instagram. We also make them on TikTok. We upload them. But here's the thing I've noticed, actually, just kind of, there's a prayer right there. Just one thing that I noticed is that when you actually upload something on TikTok, it doesn't do as well as you actually making it yourself. I don't know if that's an actual thing that exists. Maybe if you have more followers, you upload a video, maybe TikTok trusts you more in the algorithm. We're still beginners on TikTok, so we're not actually sure. But let me know in the comments if you guys have actually experienced that before, because maybe that's a thing, no idea. But aside from that, making the content yourself is just so efficient for your brand, so good for your brand, because it literally looks so authentic and just really native, okay? So the people watching your TikToks, essentially, they want to believe that it's just a person like you that's just on there making videos, right? Because sometimes when they see like a lot of professionalism in a video, they're gonna see that's really corporately related to the brand, and some people don't like that. So if you can get a video to be made as like literally customer friendly as possible, literally just in the eyes of a person making their own video, you know, like that's what really does well. And that's what we found doing TikTok videos, is literally just making the content on our floor, like literally like my basement floor. We threw our product on the ground and we literally just recorded it and put like really like trending music and the hashtags and like things that would resonate with the customer in our niche, and it just started taking off like it was nothing.
Space Shuttle Discovery returning to the space station, paving the way.
Like literally, like we were actually doing something similar with our other TikTok videos, but they weren't as like native, I guess you could say, and they were more like, you know, customer based, like professional, like made on Adobe Premiere. Like we uploaded them, they were like really nice. But I feel like the worse that we actually made them, they ended up doing better. So I don't know, give or take, you just have to try different things with your brand. At the end of the day, you have to see what works and what resonates with your customers, because you never know until you try. And that's the most important thing when brand building, right? You got to split test things. You got to test multiple different variations of things. And when you found something that works, then you can actually duplicate it or even make it better, or find another angle to find or even come across, right? You may find something that works right now, and then you see a different angle for it, and then you can just reproduce that content, but with just different like pieces of content or different pieces of wording, whatever the case may be. But honestly, guys, TikTok is really good, and we highly recommend you that you use it for your brand, because we've seen awesome success with this like we haven't seen before on TikTok. So like this is our actual first time using it to our advantage. So yeah.
Yo guys, so you've watched this video, you're at this point and you're asking yourself, how do I actually apply this? Of course, every brand wants to go viral, and you have to understand that unless you're selling some like spectacular product, it's really hard to. And we're not necessarily saying like pay TikTok influencers right off the bat. All we're saying is, please order the product to your house, spend an hour on the For You page, seeing what songs are trending and like liking the videos that are saved, and then use those sounds to upload videos and just use simple text. So for example, say you sell perfume, here's a perfume bottle, you'd get a dope ass video with like some cool little effect on it, like the disco effect, and you would use a trending sound that's trending right now. I think one of them, I honestly can't even name one, but you would take your phone, record it, it's like my man loves when I wear this perfume whenever we have like sex. So you can actually say stuff like that, and it goes so viral on TikTok. So you can just say like the most basic, like, you know, like my boyfriend got me this again for our anniversary and I'm actually speechless, like etc. Boom boom boom, like show your website on the camera, do whatever you like. So many brands already do this. There's so many brands that do it, and it works well. And even if you don't go completely viral, even if your video only gets like 50 to 100k views, that is fine, because there's still gonna be people that go to your profile, click on your website link, go to your site, and once they leave the site, you can retarget them on Facebook, email, SMS, for life. They're forever stuck in the funnel until they buy something, and even then, they should always be receiving offers every single, not day, but week. You know, they should always be in the loop with your brand once they interact once. People that interact with our brand just once, a simple Instagram like, a simple website visit, they're always being retargeted, they're always being encouraged to buy and try our stuff risk-free, etc. That's all up to you. We've heard other entrepreneurs talk about like TikTok and stuff for e-commerce, and it's kind of weird. And obviously Instagram free traffic is the main one that all these gurus talk about. You know, Instagram free traffic, you like whatever, or like Facebook free traffic in those groups. But if you want real free traffic that converts and it's actually fun to do, hop on TikTok. That's all we wanted to say in this video, is hop on TikTok. If you want more e-commerce help, you want more insight on how we grow our brands, the process of that, make sure you subscribe. You know, like this video real quick. If you're still here, just like it real quick. It's really gonna help us out, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace, guys.